It's a 2016 Kia Sportage. This crossover was made to show off. Not only will you enjoy its agile handling, remarkably smooth ride, and exceptional acceleration, but the bold lines and striking features make a statement too. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, UVO external memory control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, and Theta 2 engine. Edmunds.com finds that passengers and drivers alike benefit from well-contoured seats and adequate head and legroom. Step into a Kia and be surprised. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.